Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DIJAH Alize. If you're new here, if you're not, again, welcome back. Today I will be showing you guys how I install this headband wig. This is something new for me. This hair is from UNice hair and it's in 18 inches in their curly hair. It's very affordable. I can't remember the exact price right now, but it will be in the description box, so please be sure to check down below. Also, if this is not your first time here or you really like what you see in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and help me grow. And just stay tuned.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
So this brings us to the end of this video. As you guys can see, this is a look, this is a moment. Don't think just because you don't have lace that your wig can like do what it does, because this is really, it's giving, and it's giving natural. Like as soon as you do your edges, you put a little water and like mousse in the hair, it's chef's kiss. Like I'm really feeling this, and I'm so surprised because when I got the wig, I'm like, it's a headband wig. What am I gonna do with this? Because I'm so used to frontals, I'm so used to closures, I'm so used to just full on wig. But like this shocked me in like a good way, and like it looks so natural. Like you would think this is my hair, or at least to me, that's how it looks. Like this is my hair. You can't tell me this is not my hair, period. So if you guys are interested in this hair, it will be linked down below. It is by UNice Hair. It is their curly hair in 18 inches in the headband wig. It's very affordable. It's nice. The hair is soft. The hair is pretty, as you can see. The curl is the same throughout. So if you're interested, please check the link below. And don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe.